Greetings, I greet you in the name of our Father, Mother God. I'm light, I send you my light. I'm love, I send you my love. I'm peace, I send you my peace. I'm gratitude, I send you my gratitude. Before we start today's reading from Lord Melchizedek, I ask you kindly to make a conscious breath by imagining an exhalation or breathing in light and exhaling out darkness. Let's do it together. Inhale in light, exhale out darkness. Inhale light, exhale out darkness. Inhale light, exhale out darkness. You came here to remember that you did not come to work for heaven. Your higher self sits in heaven. You came here basically to bring heaven on earth. But due to the programming of the dark that you found on this planet, you were deceived that you came to work for heaven. But instead of doing or knowing your truth, that you came to bring heaven on earth, they altered your plan, and now it's time to go back to your inner heart and discover the divinity that is within you. The reading goes like this. Divine ones, we greet you in love. It is I, Melchizedek, the universal Logos, and with the angelic ones through Aria. We are so much happy to have this opportunity to connect with you. Take a moment now and call upon your divine self. Your I am present, activating that within you through acknowledgement, and then call upon me, Melchizedek, the universal Logos, and ask for a fusion of energy and light from me to you. You will now feel some type of cessation as I transmit this light, the energy of that which I am to you. Enjoy this experience and call forth more light and energy as you wish. Allow your presence to become familiar with this experience of our connection, and let it be real to you. Also, if you happen to feel a spinning type of energy which others just do feel, know that the summoning this transmission may activate your light body. Your Merkaba and its spinning may be something you pick up on or become aware of. This does not need to happen. We simply mention so you will understand what it is if you do pick up on this. Now, dear one, it is important that you understand that you have connection with the universal oneness and the oneness of the multiverse and beyond. You are in connection with and have relationship with many cosmetic beings and fields of great light. And the energy you receive through these connections is cosmetic fuel, if you will, lifting you up and transmitting your experience. These energies are key to your ascension. We in the greater non-physical wholeness speak to each and every one of you constantly and repeatedly, and we do so energetically. Yes, you could channel us as others do, but many of you do not communicate or connect with that way in that way or not yet, and it is not necessary. Doing so is not required for your ascension journey. Nevertheless, the most important way that we communicate with you and empower you and support you is on the energetic level. You feel, sense, or know your connection to any of us and to life itself on an energetic level. As you call upon us, as you awaken, as any of you are introduced to us or on your own asking for, allow us to transmit to you, you begin to realize that you are part of us. We are part of you, and right now, aware of this perhaps, oneness becomes real in a very different way. And this oneness, which is really a cosmetic oneness, is expanding in your experience, which we we'll speak more about momentary, and this cosmetic oneness can be more than how you access great wholeness. Cosmetic oneness can be a means by which you build, balance, deepen, and evolve, and through these connections, stabilize your expression of unity. That is what we wish to make you aware of today. For starters, know that your intimate connections are diverse and vast. We have focused in much of our co-creation with you on your connection with your divine self, the I am presence or the nomad. This is essential, for this is the source of your being, and yet there are many fields of energy and light informing your ascension process. And at this time, we now turn to these bound fields with the intentions to deepen your awareness and open up to a new potential that these vaster fields are offering you, and can provide where you are now. There are masters and teachers and fields of energy and light at the solar and planetary level, at the galactic level and the universal level, and at the level of multiverse, even at the level closest to the source. And you have connections at every level through creation. We hope that you will begin to consider the implication of this, and to grasp that your ascension journey is one of unifying with ever expanding field of light, and given that begin to sense what all of these intimate connections offer to you, a means by which you can build a stable expression of oneness in your embodiment. As a result, to open up these possibilities, let us begin to help you be more receptive. We encourage you, beloved ones, to pause now, recognize and feel your deep belonging, your in-worthiness. As to feel, sense, and know, become more aware of the deep, vast love that underlies and informs your existence, your experience, to feel how very much you belong, how significant you are, how precious and beautiful you are in our eyes. And then, if you wish, we encourage you to begin in an ongoing way to explore your vast net net of connections more often and consciously in your daily life. You can simply call upon us and ask us to send energy and light from ourselves to you. If you are already doing this, expand upon it. Call upon different fields that interest you, that occur to you, that you know of but you may not connect with before. Do this often. As you do this, you will feel the unique and specific energies each offer to you. Through this, you will grow in and confidence, knowing of the unwavering and continual support here for you, and of your intimate connection to all. You will also sense what the fields you have deeper and more significant residency with, and become more aware of where your affinities lie. As you ask, you will always receive what you ask for and call forth, giving permission for it to be given. How you translate or experience will be upon you. But as you do this, you will often feel a very physical, tangible feeling. It may be more subdued or soft when you are new to perceiving subdued energy realms, or as you have not had much confidence in your ability to receive in this way, but that will open up, expand as you grow more confident in your connection. And as it does open up more for you, you will find that you can feel that energies are different, they vary, and the way you are connecting varies too. Divine ones, the time is now for feeling how connected you are to everything. The time is now for humanity. For humanity is becoming more physical aware. For we remind you, friends, the new age is here. up upon now have been the time of the forerunners. Prior to this, you were in the time of awakening, a time of coming to light, remembering, then conditioning yourself to ever increasing levels of light. Remember who you truly are and reconnect energetically and in consciousness with the knowingness of the true self, the harmonic holiness that is your essence. But now Earth and humanity has changed, evolved so significantly and simultaneously in the divine order. The perception of the equinox and the solar and the solstice has brought you into the new age. As this new age arrives, you are already moving beyond being a forerunner into becoming a world bridger and into deepening levels of presence and demonstration of unity and oneness that is growing within you. As knowing you are evolving into an expression in which you embody cosmetic oneness and the vastness of your being. When you are in alignment and allowing that energy to flow freely, you are deepening into your ascension journey, deepening, developing integrated ascension and beginning cosmetic ascension. And we point out expanding your awareness of your cosmetic oneness. Understand, beloved ones, for you will be interested in these things. You have already completed a merger with your soul. The third initialization in the ascension process. Many of you have received the sixth initialization, the initialization of ascension, and are working towards the sustained completion of the seventh initialization, complete ascension. You likely feel these milestones as an extensive internal level of being. As this new age and this new year begins, you may be sensing and feeling on the inner planes an expansion unlike anywhere, anything you have sensed, felt, and experienced before, and finding it challenging to demonstrate or name it. This is because as you evolve, awakening or elevating your energy presence and opening up your consciousness, the vast non-physical field of light associated with earth and human ascension have also been preparing and moving closer to you. In the same way that you have a Merkaba, a light body, so too does the universe and the multiverse. And within the greater wholeness, the masters, teachers, archangels, dragons, and guides have been not only transmitting to you in the inner planes and through your embodied messenger, but also awakening within you your innate affinity with different cosmetic qualities, functional tendency, and rays of embodiment, and your own family of light. You each have unique and specific resonancy within the cosmetic wholeness. Connect with your unique, rightly code name as your lineage. As this new year and this new age dawn, the cosmetic rim is preparing to expand into higher dimensional offerings in a very beautiful and specific ways, which will activate within you greater awareness of your innate connection with the vast aspect of your own lineage and your own family of light. The transition of this experience may not be a conscious, but it will always include communication in a way that you can feel energetically. Trust this and allow energy to be a mean of communication. Your awareness of this to provide you with an ever-expanding awareness of your own connection to the infinity. Great teachers from many non-physical realms are moving closer to earth and in what has been called the externalization of the spiritual hierarchy. Gradually now, some of these unique, loving cosmetic beings are preparing to descend to earth. Along with this, there will be more walkings in the coming days, more soul rains, more declaration of spirit, more branding within your own greater holiness for some. With this, the collective consciousness, the energy, and the light in your world is being transformed, and there is more psychic awareness of the greater universe, even among those who do not believe in life on other planets. The inner knowing, the inner awareness of the greater cosmetic awareness is dawning upon humanity from an inner plane of knowing and from the collective field of consciousness shared by humanity as those ascending infuse this field with greater qualities of awareness which you or they can embody. And remember, friends, this inner knowing aligns differently than any other type of communication. You know this, for you have each had your own inner knowing about various aspects of your own being. As you are awakened and open to greater oneness, in which you are insatiable and passive and you are insatiable at the present. So you are moving into a time of greater awakening and remembering, a time of continual expansion, a time of ever increasing energy uh, flowing into your experience, a time of solar maximization, a time of ongoing outer world challenges and of great unknown, a time of profound empowerment, and a time for what you might call quantum leap on asteroids. This past year has prepared you for this by helping you release all that you outgrow, limitations, stories, or habits of thoughts that hold you back from your divine birthright of empowered sovereign creativity, and from knowing your true significance and inherent worthiness. Now is the time for those who were forerunners to also understand that being drawn upward into higher expression, you are becoming the externalization of the spiritual hierarchy now too. Each of you are here as representative ambassadors of the cosmetic heritage, which are deeper investment in the earth realm and the acceleration of humanity. And so it is for you, light workers who have been forerunners, to now realize this. Remember who you are. Remember who you truly are. Is in an expanded way, in an expanded sense of knowing, and in that clarity, you will begin to demonstrate once again what is possible. You will shine this forth from the evolution of your awareness through the energies of your presence. And as you become more whole, as you deepen the ascension initialization you have received by integrating them on the physical, mental, and emotion level, you will also be healing the illusionary separation of the earth realms with the rest of the universe and beyond. As most of you have experienced, as you evolve, you will begin to see non-physical being less as greater than you and more accurately as those are simply offering differently. As you ascend, the difference between you and the ascended masters and the spiritual hierarchy is slowly beginning to dissolve. Each one of you carry unique pieces of the cosmetic holiness. Each one of us is part of the multi-dimension team with an important part to play. As you open to allow what wants to flow through you, as you learn and remember how to feel, how to fully embrace yourself and love who you are, you cannot help but embody the expanded state of unity, replicate the patterns of higher levels of field of energy and light from which you emanate and flow. As you expand, you will still have a very strong sense of self and feel the beauty and cross connection with your own I am or nomadic presence. But at the same time, there is this knowing that your family of light and you share the same functional interest or the, the, the notion or tendency in contribution and creation, that you are part of a vaster unified field of co-creation beyond your individual expression, and that you are at home in these vast collective fields too. There is a deepening awareness that you have unique and specific purpose in being you, and that you is a reflection of the greater harmonic pattern of the heritage that you have affinity with, and from which you grow. With this, you grow more self-loving and more capable of allowing yourself to heal and experience greater wholeness. We see the coming days as a time of tremendous expansion, and with this expansion can can come a great feeling of instability, what you might be inclined to interpret as less clarity as you evolve into the unknown. We wish to address this specifically. You have let go of so much that is no longer relevant in the energetic expression of you really evolved into. Yes, but beyond that, it is also true that as you expand, your mental faculty in particular might be becoming more spacious and more vast, and you might feel quite mentally. You might discover that you are alert, alive, joyful, and even that you feel clear about what you want to be. You want to be doing or not doing. Yet there may come a time in which there will be more flow and more, or less faults and less abilities, even to conjure up narrative ideas and perceptions. Here is why, as you become who you truly are, and as you allow the cosmetic wholeness to infuse you with the vast energy of the cosmetic oneness, it is actually quite natural to feel aware and present, but without the need for thinking or figuring things out or analyzing in any way, diminishing your presence of the present moment, but filtering it or distracting yourself from it. And in fact, as you are spinning upward vibratically, and as you do this while in increasing your light quantity, the boundaries of your lower mind or concentrate mind begin to dissolve, and it begins to merge and eventually fuse with the higher mind, and this is the beginning of ascension or ascended consciousness. Now we must highlight a very important ascension key. Know that for all of you, if evolution expansion is not permanent, one must continue to keep their energy clear, their frequency high, and to live in love, increasingly alignment with higher mind to allow it to remain and further develop. This means bringing all aspects of your human experience into love, embracing everything. Understand that ascension initializations, many of which happen while you are asleep, are given when your spiritual body touches into a higher light quantum contingent. Once this occurs, the work for each of you is then to integrate your full initialization. This often involves inner work in which you might think as healing. There may be work with your health or body, your deity, and with learning more about the specific aspect of self-care that allows you to strive and live in balance, peace, sovereign alignment, and inner harmony. There might be work psychologically, emotionally, with love and with forgiveness. There might be healing needed in terms of your views or judgments about yourself and others. Work with your beliefs and ideas, the rims you see life through, and your conditioned and practiced, perhaps hidden patterns of thoughts, to be able to be in the fifth dimension energy with your physical, mental, and emotional body, along with your spiritual body, constantly, is to bring about integrated ascension and the beginning of the cosmetic oneness or oneness. We invite you to join with us as we begin this new age, in these very new energies, and to co-create. We would like to introduce to you many different levels of light and energy within the multiverse that are available to support your growing unity and divine expression as we share with you this weekly transmission and remote energy infusion. You will find your connection within the solar and planetary level, the galactic and the mount universal levels and beyond, becoming more articulate, more familiar, and learn to draw upon them to create the life experience you wish to live. You will be invited into discovering more about how you wish to send and give light to areas of concern, suffering, or struggle, or to find a way of sensing unity with all things and sending light as a masterful emanation of all that you are. Cosmetic oneness and expanding unity is the theme we are offering as a way of framing this dawning of the new age. The quantum of this new year has likely felt you, and unlike any other that came before, that is accurate interpretation. None has ever been as it is now. We find this both exciting and worthy of great feeling of appreciation, cherishing the preciousness of participating in this new world, in the new age. We very much welcome the opportunity to share with you this observation and perspective. Thank you. We invite you to deepen your multidimensional path of ascension by opening to the higher possibilities of living in all-inclusive life. Ascension is a synthesized and balanced integration of light, love, wisdom, and service. A path which does not bypass anything but synthesizes and ascends all four bodies in unity together. A path known to manipulate any from this world, but instead to open up to an abundantly love-filled life of authentic true expression. It is with this aim in mind, the ultimate communion between the inner and the outer world, that we offer our support and guidance. And this time, beloved, there is only one path which unfolds in the uniqueness of each of you. I speak to you now through Aria, and yet I am ready within you. We are spinning through time and space together, and this dance gives me a great joy. We are deepening our presence and our connection to one another through the specific and beautiful life that you are creating and expanding beyond. I wish to draw you upwards into expanded state of being, to know the importance of human experience as seen through your eyes. This is the divine mystery of our multidimensional expression. Know that this journey is both assured, and unfolding through our co-creation, and that we are one. I embrace all of you. I am Melchizedek, the universal logos, with Arya, Ashra, Archangel Michael, Archangel Metatron, Seraphine Bear, the galactic dragons, and the Council of Radiant Light. Namaste.